Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life. In today's tutorial, we're going to create something soft, something beautiful, something very feminine using our papers and dies from Graphic 45. We're going to make these beautiful easel pop-up cards, and this is such a super easy tutorial. I promise you, you're going to want to make more than one. Okay, so the very first thing that we want to do is we want to get all of our die cutting out of the way. We're going to use the flower and leaf dies from the Graphic 45 large tag, ATC tag, and flower die set, and the clock frame die from the Graphic 45 square tag and clock die set. And the papers that I'm using for this pop-up easel card are from the Graphic 45 Baby to Bride Deluxe Collector's Edition. I'll leave you with a full supply list and measurement list in my blog, and I will link you to my blog in the description area below. As you can see, I've already assembled my die cut flowers, and if you want to see how I go about in doing this, I'll link you to that tutorial as well. We're going to begin with a 12 by 12 sheet of white cardstock, and we're going to trim it down to 5 by 10 inches. Next, we place our cardstock horizontally on our scoring board, and we're going to score at 5 inches and 2.5 inches. Next, we're going to take our Graphic 45 paper, and we are going to trim it down to 4 7/8 by 4 7/8. Next, we're going to take that piece and trim it right down the middle, which is 2 3/8. Now we're ready to trim our inside piece at 4 7/8 by 4 7/8. And with some double-sided tape, we are now ready to adhere the 2 halves to the front of our pop-up easel card. Now we can apply our 4 7/8 piece to the inside of our pop-up easel card. With a pencil, I mark off the area where I'll be applying glue. So, in other words, I'll be applying glue to my piece everywhere from the bottom of my pencil mark. Now we take our frame and adhere the glued portion to the bottom half of our card. With our color box Graphic 45 Decades ink, we will stamp a sentiment to our circle die cut. And with our paper trimmer, we will trim off a piece of our Baby to Bride sentiment card. And for that touch of glam, I layer my sentiment card on top of a piece of gold cardstock. And here I add a remainder strip to the top of the inside of our easel pop-up card. I use some foam scraps to add dimension to our top sentiment of our card. And these will be adhered to the bottom half of our circle die cut. And now we're ready to add our embellishments. With some Wink of Stella, we add elegance and shimmer to this easy to make easel pop-up card. And now we look to our Graphic 45 chipboard pieces to act as a stand-up mechanism to our pop-up easel card. And that's it, my friends. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy. So I hope that you've enjoyed this pop-up easel card tutorial. It was a heck of a lot of fun to work with, and I hope that this inspires you to use your Graphic 45 papers in all sorts of projects. And if you just happen to land on this video and you're not a subscriber as of yet, click on that subscribe button, click on that bell icon at Decorate Your Life. I focus on paper crafting tutorials and project shares. Thank you all so very much for watching. Don't forget to visit my blog. You'll find the link in the description area below. Bye now.